I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select ActiveCampaign. Give here the API URL and API key. So go to the ActiveCampaign site and go to Settings and Developer. Under the Developer you can show here API URL and API key. Copy the API URL and API key and paste it into the integration. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list and select tags. Map the respective fields. Under the action, you can update the ActiveCampaign by checking it. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next, finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. So go to the ActiveCampaign site and refresh the page. And you can see the data came successfully in the ActiveCampaign. Thanks for watching.